Have you seen shoe buns with knitted jackets before? Let's make these shoe buns with colorful jackets and filled with whipped cream. These buns will melt in your mouth and are quick and easy to make. So before starting the recipe, please subscribe to my channel Bakes by Kanika and like the video. So let's get started. First, we will quickly make the jacket topping. For this, we will take softened butter and beat it with a wired whisk or an electric hand mixer till it becomes fluffy. Now we will add brown sugar, which I have just powdered a bit as mine was coarse. If you have soft brown sugar, you may use it directly. Now we will just beat it using the same electric wire whisk or using your hand whisk. After this, we will add all-purpose flour or maida and mix it till it forms a ball of dough. You may also use your hands for this step so that it forms a proper ball of dough and we are able to form it smoothly using our hands. Now to make colorful jackets, we will divide this dough into 3 parts and add 2 to 3 drops of gel food coloring and mix it to form 3 colors of dough. If you don't have 3 colors, you can even make it of 1 color. Then you can keep the whole dough together and just add food coloring to it and then just mix using a spoon or by using your hands. We will take 2 sheets of parchment paper and roll these colored dough separately. The dough should be around 2 to 3 mm of thickness. We will now put it on a tray and freeze these flat till we make our shoe buns. For shoe buns or shoe puffs, in a saucepan we will add water, milk, salt, sugar, and some diced and softened butter. So this I have taken as a unsalted butter and I have added salt separately. So this ensures that the amount of salt is controlled. Now we will just mix this and we will put on the heat. We will switch on the heat and we will just bring this milk to simmer. We don't need to boil the milk. We just need to bring it to simmer so that all the butter gets melted. Now we will immediately take it off from heat and add our all-purpose flour or maida and mix it vigorously so that no lumps are there. We will now put this back again on heat and cook the dough till it dries out a bit and forms a dough. You will see a thin layer of dough sticking at the bottom once done. Now we will take it off from the heat immediately. We will put the dough in a bowl now and let it cool slightly. We will now take the eggs and using a fork or a spoon break the egg yolks and mix them so that everything gets combined. Using an electric stand mixer or a hand whisk, we will beat it so that the steam releases and mixture cool down a bit. This is an important step so that when we add the eggs don't cook and forms the scrambled eggs. So hence it is very important to release the steam and cool down a mixture a bit. After the mixture has cooled down and is warm, we will add the eggs in batches. Do not put everything at once, else your batter might become runny, as it all depends on the size of the eggs and the type of flour you have used. Hence we will add in batches and get to the right consistency. So now you can see that the batter is ready and it is just dropping off from the spoon, spatula or a whisk. So this is the right consistency for a shoe bun. See, this much egg is left. So it all depends on the size of your eggs and the type of flour used. Put all the mixture into a piping bag with a round nozzle and just pipe the shoe buns as shown. Now once the top coating has freezed, we will take it out from the freezer and cut squares, small squares or big squares depending on the size of the shoe buns which you have piped, and you can see how easily these squares will come out. So just keep in mind that these will become soft again very quickly. So you just, when you have cut it, just put them back in the freezer once again till the time you are ready to put it on your shoe buns. Now carefully place these squares on top of your piped shoe buns. We will bake these in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes and then reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake them for another 15 to 20 minutes till the outer covering of these shoe buns become slightly brown. Also, please keep in mind, do not open the oven door in between, otherwise your shoe buns might deflate. Also, bake one tray at a time only. See, these shoe buns are ready and let them cool down completely. Now we will fill the whipped cream by making a hole at the base of the shoe buns. You can see I have used a knife. You can use a toothpick or even your finger. So we will see how hollow and empty they are inside. So now we will, using a piping bag, we will just fill the whipped cream inside our shoe buns. Just look at this, isn't it gorgeous and so tempting? So please press the like button and subscribe to my channel Bakes by Kanika for more such recipes. See you for now. Bye bye.